Hi everybody. So today I'm just going to show you quick how to put your clay pot person together. If you got your kit from us at the Lovejoy Village Art Association, it's going to come with a set of eyes made out of vinyl for you. So you don't have to paint eyes, but if you want to, of course, you can paint your own eyes. It's also going to come with some little dots. Those are for the eyes. So if you want brown eyes or blue eyes, you're just going to take the dots and you're going to put them in the middle of your pupils to make the colored eyes. Your eyes are going to come on a little sheet and you'll have some transfer tape separate. So you're going to peel the transfer tape off the back and you're going to set the transfer tape down on your eyes and just give it a good rub. Then when you peel that off, your eyes will be stuck to your tape, and that's what we're going to use to transfer. That's when you're going to go ahead and put your middles in if you want them. If you do so, you're going to have maybe blue eyes or brown eyes. If you decide you want a boy eyes, these have lots of lashes. They're very feminine. If you want boy eyes, what I did here was I just cut the lashes off to make some boy eyes. Once you have your eyes ready to go, you're going to put them on your clay pot. Do the same thing, rub real good, and then peel the tape off. The eyes should stay on your pot and your tape should come off. If that's not happening, just set it back down, rub it a little more, and try to peel it again. Once you have your pot all painted, and there is endless possibilities that you could do with this project. I've made little girls, little boys. As you can see here today, we're going to put a bumblebee together. I've made frogs, the Grinch and Santa Claus for Christmas. They are just so much fun to make. So just Google clay pot people if you're looking for some inspiration or some ideas. At the class we did at the Village Art Association, we had somebody that made a fairy. We just put little wings on the back of her. It was adorable. So once you have your pots all painted and ready to go, you're going to set your... Oh, I'm sorry, one more thing. Your kit's going to come with holes drilled in it. So these are your leg holes and your arm holes are up here. That's what you're going to use to put your arms and legs on it. If you didn't get your kit from the Lovejoy Village Association, you're making these on your own and you want to drill these holes, you need to have a mason drill bit. A regular drill bit, it would work, but you're probably going to go through 2 or 3 drill bits just trying to get through these clay pots. So just get a mason drill bit and you'll be fine. Your kit should also have 2 washers, a screw, and a nut. This is what we're going to use to put them together. I have used just hot glue in the past to put them together, and I just didn't feel like they were strong enough. I was always worried the heads were going to fall off. So you're going to make sure that you're nice and lined up, your head with your body, middle of the head, middle of the body. You're going to put a washer into your clay pot. You're going to put the screw into the hole, and then your other washer and your nut have to go through the bottom. So what I like to do is pick it up. I'm pushing down on the screw that's in there. I'm turning it right on upside down. Put the other washer in. Take your nut and screw that in as tight as you can. Once that's done, you may need to use a screwdriver on the top just to tighten it up a little bit, but I find this works really good. So there you go. Now your head and your body are attached. Then you need your arms and legs. If you try to just do 4 separate pieces, arms and legs, you're gonna have a real hard time getting them even. So what I like to do is I take the arm and I tie the twine. I tie a little knot and I pull it through here tight. Then I put this in through the first armhole in your clay pot. Stick your hand in there. Put your string back through the other armhole and pull that tight. Then I'm going to put through my next arm. being a little stubborn here. Just stick it through there. Okay. And pull it tight. Right about where the arms meet here is where I try to put my next knot. That should keep the arms together. Cut off your extra. And now your arms will always be in even spaces because they can move freely. So you're going to do the exact same thing with the legs. In one leg, through the middle, out the other leg, tie it in a knot, and then cut it. So that should be all of what you need to know to put your clay pot person together. Of course, if you got your kit from the Lovejoy Village Art Association and you have any questions, feel free to send me an instant message. You can find me in the boards for this kit. Thank you.